Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness, in which we'll have our drawing for Happy Mail at the end of the video. I'm going to set that right over there. Now, it is also Shop the Restock. So I'm going to show you the items, the new items that I have over in my shop. The link for my shop is down below. So these are booklets, and they're lined booklets, and they have been decorated. Oh my goodness, if you love lavender, you would definitely love this one. And there are, now let me look at my notes, there are 32 pages of lined book page in here, and they have been stitched in with a machine, so they're not going to come out. There is a tuck spot in the back, and it does have a little journaling card in there. So here is the first one. They are listed separately. So if you like one and not the other, you can make sure that you get the one that you want. Alrighty, so there's that. Now I also have this right here. Now we made this in a video together. It's my porch prints, and it was a tutorial that I did featuring the fall pages that they have put together, and I used a bag for mine, and this has a little fold out in here like this. It has some extra journaling, or not journaling, ephemera pages in there, so you could add a little bit more if you would like. Get that put back together, and that's right there in the pocket of the paper bag. Well, I think it must have gone this way. There we go. And then there's a little tuck spot here and a journaling card, and we've got a journal put together using the pages from the kit. There's a very large journaling card. I just love the colors that is in this journal. So just quickly flipping through, here's the center. It is a hand sewn signature. It does have some beautiful fall colored beads as dangles. And we're just flipping through here. Here's another beautiful tag. Alrighty, so in the back we have, let's get to the back, another little tuck spot. I love these little pom-poms right here, the sewing trim, and it closes up just like this. It has an eyelet here, and this beautiful sari silk, and we're just going to give it a tie, and then these small little tags in a cluster just pop right in here, just like that. That one's over there as well in my shop. Now we made this not too long ago. I think it was a Tag Me Tuesday project, and it flips out like this, and it's got some adorable tags in it. It's like a altered mini file folder that is a tag holder. Alrighty, so that one's over there. Now, we made these yesterday, or 2 days ago. I think it was a Friday project. We've got a tag that pops in here. This one's a Christmas theme. And then inside we have our little booklet with a tuck spot here and here as well. It is a hand-sewn signature with coffee-dyed papers. And that pops in just like this. And then this one has a little tag like this, and then it has its booklet that's inside. Oh my goodness, look at all those pieces of lace. And it has a little tuck spot as well with its coffee dyed pages and its hand sewn signature, and it looks just like that. So we'll pop that over there. Now I have these two right here. Now these are fall envelopes, and they're listed separately. Let's look inside this one. They have the same print, but different trim on the top. This is bright orange, and inside it is lined with music paper. It has been sewn with a machine all the way around, and it has some pinking shear cut on the edges. So inside what we have is, we have a really cute stuffed fall themed heart. We have 3 tags with the dangles, with the wax seal, the bead, and the bulb pin. It's like that. So that is what is inside of this one. So we pop that one back here. Now there are words to this music, and this one happens to say, "With me, I could have danced. I think that's kind of cute. All right, so I'm going to wrap this back up with this green sari silk, so if I can get it a little more even here. And that's how it's closed, held closed, like there. And then let's look at this one. Looks like that. This is kind of a light caramely color, and it has the same color of sari silk. It is also sewn around the edges and pinking sheared on the sides. And it has music paper in this one. It says, "Dancing free, so you wanna have fun. Come along with me. Covered with age, 'cause I'm writing your name down in every page." That's cute. All right. So here are the tags. This one looks like that. And then there's this one. And this one. Definitely fall themed. It has its stuffed heart as well. I love how these stuffed hearts are. It's got the glitter on the edge. The tags have the glitter on their edge as well. And we're going to pop that back in there just like that. And I will tie this together in just a minute. Now, if you liked those hearts, I do have them separately listed over there. Now, these have little loops right here, as you can see. Put it on my shirt. So you could hang them. You could hang them from your rear view mirror of your car. You could hang them from a lamp. You could hang them, oh goodness, you can hang them anywhere. You can pop them into a journal. You could use them as place settings for your Thanksgiving dinner. There's so many things that you can do with these. And then the largest thing that I have is I popped that journal, the 3-ring binder, I popped it onto the shop. Now, what I did was I did add 3 of the buttons right there with some thread coming out of it. I put a little flower in the center, and I added the little tassel right here. Now the tassel is pinned on, so you can remove it. There's the pin right there. I put one of those pom-poms, those vintage lace pom-poms on there. There is a video, there are 2 of them, showing you how I made this. So let me turn this. What I wanted to say about this is when you open it up, it lays completely flat. I did change it to the larger rings that I have so that it would be easily flipped, the pages, and that it would lay flat. I think that's very important. We have got a lace pocket right down here with 2 journaling cards. We have another envelope that's pinned up here at the top of this page. And then there's the back side. We've got another journaling card that's popped in there. I have put lace on every coffee dyed page So that is all accented with lace, and then it looks like that on the side. Now, I had a few people, I think there were 2, comment about my white tabs. I know I can color them, but I like the white. I like the way it looked in this project. To me, it just really emphasized the fact of how it was bound. And I enjoy this white tab. Now, if by chance you don't like it and you get this, you can always remove the pages simply by opening up the ring. That's easy to do. And you can color them if you want. So I added a little decoration here. This one is a fold-out page. Folds out just like that. And then it flips this way and it folds out this way. We have a page of coffee dyed paper that I put a little label down there. This is a flip book. So it's got some coffee dyed pages for journaling here. That's pinned on. Right here we've got a piece of ephemera. It's got a fold out faux envelope in this pocket. And then in this pocket it has some music that has been folded and popped into that pocket right there. There we go. And let's turn this page. And here we have another little, I think it's an envelope. Yes, it's an envelope. And inside, I need to add something inside. I'll put something inside of there. Alrighty. We've got another coffee dyed page. And then we have another pocket. It's a built-in pocket. It's a smaller page right here. Flips over. Get a little piece of lace there. Another coffee dyed page. Another pocket right here with some ephemera in it. And we turn this one. And we have another faux envelope that turns out for journaling. Popped into that pocket. I think that just really looks nice. And another coffee dyed page right here. And then, oh, this envelope comes with the kit. I guess I'll take it off this way. And inside, I do have a journaling page that you can journal on. Like that. And we'll just pop that back in. I've got lace on there, lace on the top, and I'm just going to put it on this way. I think it was turned the other way, but that's okay. You can turn it any way you want. I've got a little tab here made from one of the labels from the kit. And this page is just a half page, and it just has some lace decoration on it. A little cluster up here. And this is a fold out. It folds out this way. And then we turn it. And you can fold it out this way if you wish. Another lace pocket and another flip book. Right there. Another coffee dyed page. And we've got another double pocket with a piece of ephemera, a wax seal, and another fold out that you can do journaling on. And it pops right in there like that. As you can see, these pages are really easy to turn, and we're still completely flat. I think that's really important when making one of these journals, that the pages are easy to turn and that they stay flat once you do turn them. If I would turn my thing so that I wouldn't have the opening right there, it'd probably be a little easier to even turn. Got a little piece of ephemera here. It's another faux envelope. Isn't that a pretty page right there with the little faux envelope for journaling, and it pops right on just like that. Another coffee dyed page and another half page. And then there's this one that has a double pocket right here. Little ruffle, coffee dyed page, Another little half page with, this is a really cute envelope. It comes with the kit, Chapter 1 papers, and it's right in there like that. Another journaling card right here. And this is the one that we made a double pocket. I think we did. What did I pop in here? Did I pop anything in here? Oh, I need to add something in there. That is a pocket. And then there's another pocket on this side. Coffee dyed page. Another pocket right here. And that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love the color here of that blue. And there is a little envelope with another journaling card inside. It just fits just like that, popped right in. Here we have another double pocket with our journaling cards. And then here, that must have been where that came from when I was missing those in that pocket. A lace pocket with a bulb pin, and it has some lace on it and some thread. I love how this has turned out, and I'm really quite surprised that I'm willing to part with it. But it is quite gorgeous, and it is over and in my Etsy shop, like I said. So all of those things are over there waiting for you if you wish to pick them up. We can't forget that the holidays are coming up, and we don't want to wait too long because those things are handmade. So exactly what those look like won't be offered again. So this is our fishbowl in which we have our entry for Happy Mail. If you entered last week, your name is in the fishbowl. And how do you enter? In the most recent Cathy Sewing Happiness video, you tell me your act of kindness towards another person. It doesn't have to cost you anything, you guys. Letting someone in line at the grocery store because you have 20 items and they have 2. Letting someone in line of traffic. I love doing that one. I love receiving that one. But please only let one person in, because then if you let more people in than one, you'll make the other people upset at you, and that's not what this is all about. Now, we don't know what people are going through, but oh my goodness, you guys, some people are really, really having a rough time. And sometimes just being kind to another person will lift their spirits up so they can just keep going. And that's what we need to do, you guys. We need to just keep going. If you wish not to say your act of kindness in the comment section, you need to type in the word, 2 words, spreading happiness. And that will be your entry into the drawing. If you enter into the drawing this week, please check back next Sunday, because that's when your name will be in the fishbowl, to see if you've won Happy Mail. When I announce the winner, please don't say in the comment section who has won. Some people only enter to see if they've won. And, well, of course, you enter to see if you've won. That's a duh. But what I mean to say is, please don't say who's won in the comment section, because they just check that the comments to see if they've won. And let's just say they see they've won, then they get excited, they know they've won, but they forgot to give me their address. I have to have your address or I can't get your Happy Mail to you. That information is down below this video on how you're going to get your address to me. Please follow those directions because they're important, so that I can send you out your Happy Mail. So let's see who has won Happy Mail this week from me to you as my way of paying it forward. So let's look and see who has won Happy Mail this week. It's always exciting. Terry Rowe, R-O-E. Terry, you won Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.